In this video, I'll show you how you can buy things on Amazon using PayPal. So let's say I wanted to buy this Ninja air fryer here. I could actually buy this with PayPal after following this video, and because there's a workaround that you can do to actually use PayPal on Amazon. Now, if you go ahead and try and add your PayPal account to Amazon, you won't find it in the settings. That's because they don't accept PayPal. But what you can do, you can go to an external website like this one here, which is called GameCardDelivery.com. You can then go to gift cards, go to Amazon gift cards, and then you can buy a gift card here for the amount that the product is on Amazon. So this is $120, so I could buy a $100 gift card and two $10 gift cards. So to do that, you will click buy now, and you can see here you can proceed to checkout and you can pay with PayPal. So let me just first try and buy this $100 gift card. You can see this is going to cost me $112, so we are going to have to pay a bit of a fee for paying with PayPal, but proceed to checkout. You can then enter in your details here, and then once you've signed up here, you can see you can proceed with PayPal checkout. So click on that and it will open PayPal. And obviously I'm not going to do this, but you can pay with PayPal. Then you'll be given an Amazon gift card code. So then when you're on your checkout here, you can see here's the product. You can go here to enter a gift card, and you can enter in that gift card code here and apply. You can see I've already done this before because I've got $18 in the gift card balance. So yeah, you will buy your gift card with PayPal on websites like this, and you would use the gift cards on Amazon.com.